How to schedule Reels on Facebook on Meta Business Suite. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Meta Business Suite. Enter your login credentials and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this homepage. Over here below your name, you can see the option where it says Reel. What you want to do is click on it. Now click on Photos or Videos. Now inside the gallery, select the video that you want to schedule. Let's say I want to schedule this video. Click on it. Once you have selected, click on Done at the top right corner. Now what you want to do is write the caption for the Reel video. You can write whatever that you want to. And once it is done, click on Next at the top right corner. In this page, the option of Schedule for Later will be available to you. Click on it. Now you have to schedule the date in order to upload your Reel video. Let me set it to April 10. Also select the time. And then click on Done. Once you have set the time, click on Schedule at the top right corner. Wait for a while for it to process. And there you go, your Reel has been scheduled successfully. Likewise, you can schedule any of the posts that you want to, and then you'll be good to go. That's all for today, and this is simply how you can upload Reel on Facebook from Meta Business Suite. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.